Are people with heart murmurs more susceptible to heart issues related to cocaine? Heart murmurs vary in type. The two types of heart murmurs are functional murmur or physiologic murmur, are conditions outside the heart, and others are malfunction conditions in the heart itself. This situation is also a sign of heart disease. People who use cocaine with heart murmurs can be more at risk in their health. Cocaine is a drug that causes euphoric highs and which increases blood pressure or heart rate. In regular use of cocaine, heart attacks and strokes are possible, but people with existing heart disease can be fatal even at the first use of cocaine. If you or someone you know is at the risk of their lives due to cocaine, seek immediate help. Contact us before it's too late. Our hotlines are available 24/7, fastly responding to your needs and concerns. Don't delay, call us now. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.